Hey everyone, Paul again. Welcome to Lesson 29 of the Jamf 100, macOS Interface. In this lesson, we'll be covering the basics of the macOS interface. Navigation on a Mac is fairly straightforward and quite similar to navigation on a Windows PC. If using an external mouse, the cursor moves around the screen as the mouse moves, and clicking the mouse button will select items. If using a trackpad, say an external trackpad on a Mac Pro, iMac, or Mac Mini, or the built-in trackpad on a MacBook, moving one finger on the trackpad will move the cursor, while moving two fingers will scroll inside of a window. We'll learn how to change some of these preferences in a later lesson. On the very top of the screen, you'll notice the menu bar. The right-hand side of the menu bar is static, and will contain things like the clock, Wi-Fi status, spotlight, notification center, and on a laptop, battery status. In the far upper right-hand corner, there's a magnifying glass for Spotlight. Spotlight allows us to quickly search our hard drive for applications, directories, or files. It can even search the content of files for the search term we enter. I like to use Spotlight to start applications more quickly, search for files, or even perform simple calculations. The left-hand side of the menu bar is dynamic and will change based upon the foreground application. In this particular case, we can see that Finder is the foreground application. You can think of Finder much like the Start menu on a Windows computer. Finder is the leftmost icon in the dock, and clicking on it will start our navigation through the file system. The dock is a location where we can create shortcuts to our most actively used applications and directories. In addition, the dock will let us know which applications are currently running. To add an application to our dock, we can go to the application and drag the icon down to the dock. On your desktop, you may see an icon for Macintosh HD. This is much like the C drive on a Windows computer. Double-clicking it will take you to the root or base level of the hard drive. All of our applications exist in a single directory called the Applications folder. We can navigate to the Applications folder a few different ways. We can click on the Finder icon in the dock and then click on Applications. Or we can click on the Go menu in our Finder application and choose Applications. In this lesson, we learned the basics of the macOS interface.